Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today I will be showing you how I made these cute little magnets. I think they're pretty simple and I'm going to use those like glass pebbles, so I'm really excited, so here we go. Okay, so I have these little glass pebbles here, hopefully you can see them, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take two Tootsie Roll candy wrappers and I'm going to cut them to the size I need. Alright, so I'm just going to take a pen and I'm just going to outline the candy wrapper that I need. Then I'm going to cut it out. Alrighty, after I'm done cutting it out, I'm just going to line it up to the back to make sure it looks good, and that looks pretty neat so far. So now I'm going to take some Mod Podge and a paintbrush, and I'm just going to put some Mod Podge onto the back of the pebble, and then after that I'm going to take my candy wrapper and I'm going to put it on the back. Alrighty, and the next step then is to let it dry. Okay, and then the very last step, this is what it looks like when it's dried, and I think it is really cute. So the last step then is I'm going to hot glue a magnet into the middle. Alrighty, and there you go. Now I just have to wait for that to cool off and to dry. But that is a really simple way to create a cute little magnet. So that is how I created the magnets using the little glass pebbles and a candy wrapper. I think they look really cute, and in all honesty, the possibilities for that are endless. You could use a picture, you could use multiple other candy wrappers. There are really tons of ways to really make that your own. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!